In this video, we will see how to change the layer CRS and project CRS in QGIS. So let's get started. To view the layer CRS information, right-click on Layer, go to Properties, and in the first tab, Information, scroll down to Coordinate Reference System. Here you will find the Coordinate Reference System information. We can see that this is geographic coordinate system, and it is EPSG 4326 WGS 84. If you only want to see the CRS name, you can also do it by hovering on the layer. Let's close this and mouse over on the layer name. You can see that within the parentheses, our CRS name is written here. For quick view, you can do that. We have imported here California state boundary. Let's reproject this. Go to the processing toolbox, then vector general, and double click on the reproject layer. In the input layer drop down, select the layer we want to reproject. Since we have one layer, it is automatically selected. Now click on target CRS, select CRS button. Here are the CRS options. From here we can select the CRS. We can also search the CRS from this filter. Let's search for Cali for select the projected and Elber's equal area. We will use 3310 EPSG CRS. This is usually used for California. Let's click on this and go back to the settings. You can select that our EPSG 3310 is selected, and in the reprojected layer, let's show our output path. Let's write the name. And save as type. Let's click on shapefile and save. Now click on run. Close. Let's see the CRS information of California reprojected properties. We can see that our CRS has been changed. Okay. Now let's remove this one. In our project, we have a layer with EPSG 3310 CRS now. But if you look at the project CRS here, you can see that it is EPSG 4326 WGS 84 CRS. Now we will change the project CRS to match our layer CRS. For that, go to Project and Properties. Then go to CRS tab. Now let's search for the CRS 3310. We can see that our CRS has been shown. Let's click on this and press OK. And again press OK. You can see that our project CRS has been changed. You can also change the project CRS from double clicking on this